This is what happens when we do things on the fly. So bear with us because this is all coming down right now in real time. And what I wanted to let you guys know is that flash flood warning was initially going to expire in 14 minutes at 10 o'clock. It's now been extended through 2 a.m. Why? Take a look at the cell. I mean, this is massive. At the moment, we are expecting maybe, just maybe, some tornadic activity. That's not out of the question here. And I want to sit with this radar for just a moment and show you really what's happening here. So take a look. All of that red, it could be right here. That could be a water spout potentially. And we'll get confirmation. National Weather Service is tracking it alongside with us, and it's heading toward Point Doom there. So we could get a water spout, which means we could get a land spout, or maybe even a weak tornado along PCH there, and as we head up into the mountains, the 23 into Ventura County. Currently, we are looking at severe weather, and we are looking at a severe weather statement. So we're going to continue to track this for you. But at the moment, this severe cell is going to continue moving through Ventura County, and it's going to start to move into LA County in the next few hours. So the worst of it really taking place for LA County and Ventura County in the next 3+ hours. We're going to continue to track it for you. I do want to track it right here on our weather computer and take a look. We're going to track it this way if we can and kind of show you where it's headed. So we could see Calabasas getting hit next. I do want to take a look at our forecast cone because that's a great way to track cells, especially if they're sitting offshore and they're moving to the northeast. Take a look at that. Malibu Hills, 13 minutes. Agora Hills, 21 minutes, and Calabasas, 28 minutes. We could get hit with some very, very heavy rain there. So again, there's a flash flood warning. We've been talking about it all afternoon. It was set to expire at 10 p.m. Okay, so this is that flash flood warning. We're going to clear that out for you. And we're going to zoom in again and show you who's affected. The 210 corridor there affected, the Santa Clarita Valley, Ventura County as well. And we're also looking at that marine statement. So let's take a closer look at this flash flood warning that has now been extended through 2 a.m. And I want to give you the details here. So we've seen heavy rain. It's been really falling over the last hour or so. Between 2 to 6 inches of rain has already fallen. Well, we could get 2 to 4 additional inches possible, and flash flooding is already occurring right now. So that's what the warning means. We also have this warning offshore, that marine warning, that remains in effect until 10:30. That's another about 40 minutes or so. And this is where we could get water spouts, land spouts, and maybe even a water spout moving onshore far enough to give us a weak tornado. That is not out of the question. So people in Ventura County right now being told to hunker down. And then that's just something we don't hear a lot here in Southern California. I will tell you right now, people in Ventura County, especially in the Thousand Oaks area, Moore Park, being told to currently hunker down. There is a special weather statement that was issued for Thousand Oaks, Camarillo, and Moore Park. Heavier rain is going to continue to move through, and this is that big band that we're currently tracking. So currently being told to hunker down. I do want to tell you, as we move back to the radar here, you'll see even a little more rain behind it over Santa Barbara County and the south coast there. Now take a look at the big picture. You're going to see the brunt of this rain really sitting over Ventura County, the Santa Clarita Valley, and this is what's going to move across our forecast area. Now let's take a closer look at this. I want to zoom in and actually show you street level, show you exactly where we're seeing some of the heaviest rain right now. So the 23 is a big concern as we head over to Point Doom there. Malibu, PCH, right there along the 1, Canyon Doom as you make your way through the canyon. Treacherous conditions in the canyon as you make your way into Agora. Now as you're moving out of Westlake, Lindero Canyon Road, very heavy rain right now. Potentially severe thunderstorms, and as we move down the 23, that's where things get very hairy right now for us as well. So that's where we're really focusing. Thousand Oaks as well under this special weather statement, and take a look at where we're seeing just downpours at the moment. And of course, there could be a little rotation associated with this, and we're going to continue to monitor that for you. Right now, East Hillcrest Drive, looking at very heavy rain. La Granada Drive, Herbs Road, Encino Vista Drive, that's Encino Vista rather. Northwest Lake Boulevard, also looking at very heavy rain right now. And again, the 23, your entire ride along the 23, just absolutely treacherous at the moment. The Ventura River, okay, Ventura County River, almost at flood stage. So we're watching that as well, and we could get there very soon because we're expecting multiple inches of rain in just a little amount of time here. And I do want to continue tracking this cell for you. We're going to continue to watch it. I will tell you, most of us here in Southern California will see exactly this passing through your neighborhood in the next few hours. Agora Hills in the next 8 minutes, you're going to get slammed with more rain, and possibly Calabasas in the next 21 minutes. And this is what's going to move through LA County overnight, and it's eventually going to make its way into Orange County as well. Simi Valley affected. We are going to continue to see just very heavy rain in the next 2 to 3 hours. This isn't just a momentary thing. That flash flood warning, as I mentioned, was in effect until 10. It's now extended until 2 a.m. So we're going to be looking at severe weather conditions at least through then. So stay with us. We're going to keep you posted on it all. But for now, Pat, Juan, back to you.